Did you know a reporter proved the CIA helped flood black neighborhoods with crack cocaine, and the government let his reputation die before admitting he was right? In 1996, Gary Webb published a documented series linking CIA-connected Nicaraguan networks to the crack epidemic that destroyed Los Angeles communities in the 1980s. Within weeks, 3 of the most powerful newspapers in America coordinated to tear his work apart. His editors folded. His career was gone. In 2004, he was found dead. 2 gunshot wounds to the head, officially ruled a suicide. Years later, the CIA's own Inspector General confirmed his core findings were true. They buried the man, then quietly admitted he was right.